MindBoost, a dietary supplement making promises, and the ad for it is right in front of you. Best part? The ad selling MindBoost never even says MindBoost. Not once. That's the trick. They hook you with one story, then sell you something else at the end. In the video, some guy pushes a so-called honey trick recipe, a simple mix that supposedly reverses memory loss and even cures Alzheimer's. He drags in Bill Gates and other celebrities to make it sound legit, says it's easy and natural. Except if you watch that ad all the way through, and I did, frame by frame, they never reveal any recipe. Instead, they tell you to click through to another page where they'll finally explain it, and that's where the supplement appears, MindBoost. Now we land on a page designed to look like CNN, but check the address bar, it's not CNN.com. It's a different domain made to mimic CNN. In my case, the page was hosted on cnnhealth.store, so from the first second, they're already faking the setting. You get the headline, the video player, Dr. Gupta on screen, play button, front and center, all of it built to make you hit play before you ask questions. Right below that, they drop a row of media logos, the New York Times, CBS, ABC, Fox, CNN. Impressive. Until you realize they're just images. No links, no citations, nothing you can verify. Then there's the comments block, supposedly 36,000 plus comments. People thanking Dr. Gupta, saying the recipe changed their lives, smiles and emojis everywhere. But it's not a real comment section. You can't like, reply, sort, or check profiles. It's just text and pictures pasted onto the page. Then we hit play. The video is long. They cycle through regular people, celebrities, dramatic claims, and emotional language to sell this mysterious honey trick, allegedly tied to Dr. Gupta and university scientists. And the recipe still never appears. What you do get is a stitched together montage of real clips with swapped audio and a fake sounding voiceover layered on top. It has deepfake-style scam energy all over it. And after all that buildup, what do we get? Not a recipe, a supplement pitch, MindBoost. The second the product shows up, the pressure starts. Only a few bottles left, free shipping, huge slash prices, claims like save $900. Then comes the 100% satisfaction guarantee. Sounds comforting until you remember guarantees like this usually sound great before checkout and get a lot more complicated after you've paid. Next, they stack the badges. GMP manufacturing, 100% natural, made in USA, GMO free, even an FDA approved looking seal. Official looking, except again, these are just images. No certificates, no verification, no proof, and the FDA does not approve dietary supplements the way this page wants you to think it does. Then the customer reviews. Every single one is glowing. Every single one is 5 stars. No verified profiles, no independent platform, no source, no way to check any of it. There's also a section asking, who is Dr. Gupta, with a photo, clearly meant to make you think he personally recommends MindBoost. He does not. That endorsement is fake. Dr. Gupta has nothing to do with this supplement or this page, and he has publicly said scammers keep using his name and image to sell shady products online. Then near the bottom, they throw in scientific references. They dump a list of real studies onto the page so it looks scientific, but those papers are not evidence for this specific supplement. It's unrelated window dressing. Try to buy, and you're pushed to a ClickBank checkout. And surprise, the same tricks show up again. More 5-star graphics, more badges, more urgency, counters like 17 people are online now, and a score like 9.3 excellent, 36,000 plus reviews. Okay, where are those reviews? What independent site are they on? What platform is standing behind that number? From what they show you, nowhere. Then more scarcity, more discounts, more 70% off, more save $800, more free shipping, more official looking seals that prove nothing. And some of the so-called buyer photos zoom in and they start looking suspiciously AI generated. Now, what about real reviews? On Trustpilot, actual people report the supplement didn't help, refunds were a hassle, and some call it a straight-up scam, and honestly, after fake endorsements, a phantom honey trick, fake badges, fake social proof, and non-stop pressure tactics. What exactly would surprise you? Bill Gates has nothing to do with this. Dr. Gupta has nothing to do with this. And that's all you need to make an informed decision. So, no, don't let the fake CNN lay out the celebrity bait, the miracle story, or the pressure push you into buying something you wouldn't trust under normal circumstances. If they have to fake the setting, fake the endorsement, and fake the urgency to sell it, that tells you a lot about the product. Stay sharp.